some of the apps we created. We are in trueloveforstyle.com community, which is our social website, and we're going to go across the top and we're going to go to more. As you can see here, we have more menu options, and we have our prompt generators. This is a quick access link. Let's take a look real quick. Here you will find all the different prompt generators, and then we're going to be adding new prompt generators really soon. So pretty much you can find quick access here for those. And then here back at the top, you're going to go to our image generators, which is our apps. As you can see, the first one here is the AI Twin or Influencer Image Generator app. And then we have here a mockup app, as well as a female character. And then we have Mother's Day merch app. All these generators here produce images. So we're going to go into this one. It's going to take you to here, the main page of our app. And as you can see, these are instructions, and let's test it out. So I think I'm gonna go with this one here. So this is my reference image that I want to use. Then down here you can customize the look, the scene, the outfit, the shoes. You pretty much play around with this to see what you get. For right now, I'm gonna leave everything as none, meaning keeping the original concept. And then down here is the creative extras. I'm going to type in, let's see. So she's sitting. I'm going to put, she is standing next to a table with her birthday cake. So pretty much you could put any additional prompts in here for your image. And then here I'm gonna turn these all on. Pretty much you can kind of read what each one does. And then here, do I want 3 unique variations or 3 same look poses? 3 same look but 3 poses. I'm going to go with the second one. And then the number of images to generate, let's select 3. You can see here, now she's standing, my AI twin is standing next to a table with her birthday cake. 3 same outfit, 3 different poses. So then I can choose which one I like the best. I can also save, so I want to save all 3, just in case I want to come back and look to them. And then I can also download the images I want to use. And then also, as you can see here, we have a history button. You can go back here, click history, and it will show you all your saved images, your history. And then up here, you go back to generators. So we want to go back to True Love for Style and play with another generator or image generator app, or if you want to go back to our prompt generators, you can do that as well. Okay, let's click on this one, the bloom. So these are our prompt generators. As you can see here, as it's loading, this one generates prompts. And these are perfect for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays. This is my AI twin here in the middle. And then these are AI generated women that we got from our prompt. So feel free to join the community. If you have any questions, you can always send us a message on the Skool community, or you can send us a message here on the True Love for Style platform. Thank you.